I got to know Ayurveda when I was, I think, 26. And at that point, I had difficulties with a lot of gas and bloating and constipation. And what directly changed was my digestion and my sleep. And really, like right away from the first day, I ate porridge, or I don't remember, but I think it was porridge. And from then on, and drinking warm drinks. And I feel like the more I get to know myself or through Ayurveda and the knowledge of Ayurveda, I will become more aware of my own path. Ayurveda is one way how to understand yourself or how to get to know yourself better. And by doing so, the Dharma will also automatically come. So you will automatically develop in the way that suits you and that is your Dharma.